Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Saidi. I'm the Vice Principal of Dunman Secondary School. I'm here to answer your questions. Okay, how much did you get for PSLE? I got grades good enough to go to a school of my choice. Just remember, grades are not the be-all and end-all. There's more to life. What do you do as Vice Principal? I oversee the student development part of the school. This includes character education, co-curricular activities, discipline, student well-being, and also the academic side. Describe Dunman in one sentence. I think Dunman is a second home and also our second family. We spend most of our waking hours here. We really cherish the bonds that we have with each other. Next question, did you always know you wanted to be a vice principal? I joined the teaching fraternity to teach and also to engage students. In my role, I'm able to engage a bigger group of students and also support the teachers. What advice would you have given your young self? I would have told my younger self to go all out and explore things which are of interest to me. 3 good things about Dunman. Number 1, the students. They're a very pleasant bunch. They are hungry for knowledge and they come to school with a very positive attitude. Number 2, the teachers. The teachers are very passionate and they do whatever they can to help the students. Number 3, the culture. There's a huge culture of care in Dunman, and also students come into Dunman to try to be the best version of themselves. Is O-levels important? Yes, O-levels is important, but what's more important is you do your best in everything you engage yourself in. And once again, I remind you, there's more to life than just academic excellence.
Okay, let me find out. Kopi or teh?
Teh,
Car or bus?
car,
English or mother tongue?
English,
Math or science?
science,
Chemistry or bio?
physics,
Chicken rice or nasi padang?
nasi padang,
Nike or Adidas?
Nike,
Favorite color?
red,
Favorite snack?
super rings,
Favorite hobby?
cycling,
Cats or dogs?
cats,
What scares you?
lightning,
3 people most important to you.
my family, my students and my colleagues. What is your hope for students in Dunman and those who want to come to Dunman? Firstly, my students in Dunman, I hope that after 4 years, you'll be able to go into the world, a young adult who is ready to contribute to the society. For students who are wanting to come to Dunman, I wish you all the best, do your best, and I look forward to see you here. Well, thank you for all your questions. I do hope I will see you soon and we'll go on this journey together.